Ye ask and ye shall receiveth. We're here at TCRC in Lavallette, West Virginia. These guys are amazing. During off season, they let us come tear up their track because when it's time to race again, they clean slate it, man. It's just the coolest thing ever that they let us do this. But we're here with the Losi Rock Rey Ready to Run edition. Check out that sweet light bar on top. That comes installed. It also has AVC, which is active vehicle control. Notice as I tip the RC here, the steering does its own thing. Well, you know, in some cases that's really handy, in other cases you want to turn it off. It's really nice. There's a knob on the radio that allows you to crank that up and down however much you like having that on board. I can tell you from the speed run that we did, it's a really nice little thing to have. It does help keep it on rails. Really kind of amazing the first time you drive a vehicle that has AVC on it. And with this Rock Rey being kind of a rock racer, which by the way is way faster than I expected it would be, it really comes into play because you're going to be less likely to roll it. It's not to say we won't roll it though. Today we're going to get muddy. We're going to have some fun.
And the people spoke, 3S.
3S. Why bother? One guy said...
I grabbed it, I saw this sitting in the car and I was like, no, we're doing 2S. And it was like, no, they said 3. They want to see us break something.
No. One guy said, I think it's really cute how you guys think you're going to bash it on 2S. It's going to be 3S. I'm going to watch no matter what. That's what he said. So, lots of mud today. I think this is the muddiest we've ever seen.
Can we even walk on this?
I don't think so. I'm not going to. No.
Oh, it's starting to. I sunk in. Yeah. Oh man.
So we're gonna try to record standing off the side of the track. Man, I hope I don't flip it like in the middle. But this is gonna be fun no matter what. Really, we're just bashing. This isn't necessarily made to run on a track like this. We're just here with an RC truck and a track. We drove our big 5th-scalers here.
The comments said here, right?
Everyone wanted to see us come here, so we drove an hour one way with one truck in the car specifically to do this,
just
to have fun with you guys, for you guys. Awesome. Let's do it. Oh, are you ready, Abby? Yeah. We got to get some air with this, don't we?
Yes.
And we're getting muddy. Oh, I did roll it. We're going to be rolling some today.
Figured we'll roll a lot.
Well, once I get the controls under control a little bit better, you know, I hopefully won't be rolling it quite as much. This thing is so punchy and just feels so good. Look at that mud. Oh my gosh. See, you just take the curves a little better. This is like the most boring spot on the track we could be standing at. Let's go get some air. Look at that. They've got a code like, beware the puddle. Someone was here racing without us. Oh my gosh, let's try this. I don't know how it's going to ramp. We've not gotten any air with it yet.
Oh, you flipped over the puddle.
Yeah, it ramps well.
I missed the peak of the ramp though. I wasn't prepared for that.
Whoo, that was cool. I think I had maybe too much speed coming into that because I don't know. That was interesting. Let's try that again. About the same. Oh, that was perfect.
Oh, you hit it! Here you are!
Get back. Oh,
The cone betrayed us. Oh my gosh.
Are the lights waterproof?
They're still on.
Right,
they're still on.
Oh my gosh, it's so muddy. Hey, that was a sweet ramp. Let's do that again. Woo! Oh my gosh, what did you guys think of that? That was awesome, right?
That puddle splash, I was a little scared for my life, but you didn't get me this time.
Yeah. All right, this is my least favorite part of the track. Oh, too much throttle there.
Shoot, it's right on the back tires.
Yeah. Oh, again, too much throttle. Am I going to make it?
And you're
No.
tipped.
That's a long walk.
A long, muddy walk. This was like the worst day to come here, Nate. It's swamped. Other than the mud, I feel like this is the worst place we could have taken this vehicle. Like, it's not made for this.
Not really. Still a fun bashing spot.
It's fun to get the air with the ramps.
Okay, here we go. Oh, why are there 2 cones there? Like, someone has definitely set up some death traps. Hey, it's got tight enough controls. Oh yeah, muddy water. This is definitely waterproof. Here we go, this is one of my favorite ramps. Yeah, woo!
Oh, you didn't do it right.
I can do better. Well, it's tough because it's very cold out. Although this is muddy. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Oh,
whoa.
Whoa!
I don't even know how much I got. That was
amazing.
Terrifying.
I don't know how that happened. There must be like a weird bump there that I didn't see because the back end just kind of launched up. Oh, that was crazy.
That was only slightly terrifying.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. That was really intense. Let's try that again, but not that same exact spot. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna step back.
Oh! I might have broke something. Oh! Oh, I might have broke something. It came down on that front wheel.
Ouch. It was gonna go so perfectly too, and then at the end. Is it okay? Everything connected?
Complete. I don't know if we can hit this ramp. This might not be a great ramp for this, you guys, because
I think the ramp has changed.
Launching it. Look, let's look at the angle of attack over here.
I think the backside is a little bit worn away.
Oh, yeah,
look.
So we're basically hitting this like ledge.
Yeah.
And it's launching the rear over. Here,
you can kind of see like it's not as straight as what it once was. It's pretty worn down.
Let's do it in slow motion so they can see how it's getting launched.
Okay. Gloves are getting put on?
Well, I think that I ended on a really sweet note with that front flip.
I don't know how you did.
You should just start here. No way, you're already rolling it. Oh, this is fun. I'm really glad we came here. The mud, I think, is softening the blow some. You're fine. You're fine.
I don't know how you didn't break anything.
Oh yeah. Super tough. Well, you know what? We don't have a ton of Losi bashers, and this is like our first actual basher. Okay, let's hit the ramp. Get some air. Everyone wants to see you.
Do this ramp or go to the other ramp?
No, we're gonna start here just for the sake of our shoes, and then we'll go over to the other spots as we progress. You're hitting it that way? Oh, okay. Oh, all right. I want to see you do a front flip like I did. It took me, 10 tries before I finally got one.
Hit the ramp first.
Yeah. Oh, you went the wrong way. So brakes are forward.
I always mess it up.
Brakes are forward, juicing it is back. All right.
I can't flip it. It likes to land on its feet for me.
It does. Yeah, it does. If you would have just touched it the other direction, I think you'd have been fine. Yeah.
It takes me like 10 tries before I finally get it straight back in.
You've been flying airplanes. You're good. I forgive you. Good job. Oh, wrong way again. Wrong way again.
Tell me one more time.
Brakes.
You guys make fun of me as much as you want.
Abby.
It just takes me a
Look,
minute.
hold on. Don't move the truck. You juice it, the front goes up. You hit the brakes, the front goes down. Okay?
Brakes down.
Brakes down.
Okay.
Juice it.
Juice up, brakes down.
Sure, yeah. All right, let's see if this helps. Oh, it was a little crooked, but you landed it. Yeah. Oh, muddy walk of shame. At least you got boots. I just brought these like.
This boot has a hole in it.
It does. Yeah. We're actually both wearing shoes that have holes in the bottom of them. We're poor. We put all of our money into RCs. Okay, let's go. It's not power, it's just sound. Yeah, okay, here we go. She said, brakes down, juice up, brakes down, juice up. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Ow, you're just hitting it crooked. Oh, that might have broke it because it was on the plastic. No? No!
That may have broken it.
We're still going. That is a tough truck. Oh, wait, hold on. I think I see it bowing out. Hold on. Do we? No, okay, all right. Just my imagination. All right, let's do it. I think it's time for a little Abby slow motion. Oh, backflip. Backflip. She wants to go to a different ramp, so.
I'm doing good today.
I think I did awesome on that ramp. That was fun. Can you get it around the course?
I'm also terrified. I don't want to break your truck.
Oh,
yeah. But I just don't want to break your truck.
Oh, all right. Let's go over.
Flips right over.
I want to get a good shot of this ramp. When you go from airplane to truck and airplane to truck, it's like you forget how to drive your trucks.
People like, they don't know how hard it is to like go. Like, we love all the hobby, but it's hard to go from one thing to the other. And
yeah, it can be.
My brain.
Okay, do it. Oh, that was like horrible. You are not landing these at all.
It's your truck for a reason.
Sloshy. You get to clean it. Yeah. No. You landed in that nasty. Ugh. All right, let's get one good ramp from Abby today. Oh, Abby, you didn't clear it. Oh no. So she didn't clear it with enough speed and it crunched down in that and then just went rolling upside down. Does the light still work? That was a completely submerged light. Like, we are being really rough on this here. Unless you're driving a short course truck, you know, this type of course isn't really made for something like this. Wow, talk about waterproof. The Rock Rey ready to run as the champion. All right, one good ramp, Abby, one good ramp. Donuts. All right, you got your donuts. All right. Three-wheeled donuts. Let's get one good ramp. Okay, last one. This is it. If it fails, you're done. Okay. Oh, that was pretty good. You landed on the runner there, but that was pretty good.
I think it's quite clear who this truck was made for.
Yeah, this is my Losi.
This is your truck.
Yeah.
You have earned this truck. I have not. I've only embarrassed myself today.
Oh, that was pretty rough.
Myself today.
Oh, that was pretty rough. That was pretty rough.
That was bad.
That was a scary one. I tried to correct for it, but I didn't have enough air to get the...
This isn't even supposed to be like a ramping type vehicle.
Well, it's just an all-around basher, isn't
it?
it?
It is.
That was perfect. That was perfect.
That was fun.
That was nice.
That was cool, Nate.
Thank you. One more good one and then we'll go. Yeah, because I want this thing to live another day. And I feel like...
At least one more bash before we break something.
Oh my gosh, yeah, this is a rough course. If it was colder out and this water was not water, it was ice, I guarantee we would have snapped a ton of stuff, but the mud is cushioning those. All right, here we go. You got to hit this fast. That was perfect, right?
Yeah, it was good.
That was perfect. Okay, the Losi Rock Rey ready to run is a beast. The thing I find most interesting about it, Abby and I were sitting there and it sat it right by the 1.9,
Capra.
the Capra 1.9, and I was like, Abby, these are both 10 scales, but man, they are significantly different in size.
Yeah, the Losi's huge.
Yeah, I really like this, and for some reason, I've always just been a huge fan of this style of RC. I don't know why. I like the big exposed tires and just the aggressive stance of it. You can kind of drive it as just a cool little crawler, but then also, obviously, just bash the snot out of it and tear up the track. Again, thank you to the guys here at the track. We're not actually doing any damage because it's off season, but this is amazing. This is now one of my all-time favorite bashers, not only because it's awesome on its own 4 wheels, but because of the situation, the circumstances, how we got it for the channel. We thank you to that person again very much, and for letting everyone get to experience this vehicle because of you. That means the world to us. Guys, when we get this all washed off and cleaned up, we'll be adding another TheRcSaylors sticker. It earned that small one for an awesome speed test. I think we're gonna put a power patch maybe on the side of it or something.
I don't think it needs a power patch.
Oh, but the performance will be just that much better with the power patch. If you'd like to get some of your own TheRcSaylors stickers, it's a great way to say thanks for doing what we do, and it's a good way to support us and just spread the word too. And it does make your RC cars and trucks and planes go up 2 cool points per sticker. Let's face it, we could all use a couple extra cool points. Guys, all the good stuff, the Rock Rey ready to run, our favorite batteries, our favorite charger, and the way to buy some TheRcSaylors stickers will be linked in the description box below. This is an amazing vehicle, and I had a blast driving it here at the track today. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye! Both of our voices went.
Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!